it is Tiffany Miller with Miller's Mad Creations, and today I wanted to show you a quick video on how to get Bitmojis inside your digital planner and how to use them as stickers. So the first thing that we want to do, I'm using GoodNotes 5, which that doesn't matter. We're going to go and we're going to download the Bitmoji app, which I already have it installed. So I'm going to open it up and I'm going to go through and I'm going to find whichever image that I want to use. So we're going to go with this one right here. I'm going to save it to my images. Now if we go look at my images, as you can see, it still has all the white background around it, and we don't want that. We want it to be transparent. So I'm going to go use another app called Magic Eraser, and I'm going to open up the app. And if there's any pop-ups or anything, just exit out of them. Either it's just ads or it might get you to sign up for a trial, but I never do that. So I'm going to hit photo. I'm going to find the Bitmoji that I just saved, and I'm going to hit done. So now my image is in here, and I want to make it where it doesn't have a background. So I'm going to tap on all things that are white that I don't want to show. So anything that has white that you don't want to show up, just tap on it. You can also zoom in if you need to get a little bit closer. Okay. So then I'm going to hit the little save button up here, and I'm going to save it with the PNG background. So I'm going to tap on that, and I'm going to do high resolution, and then I'm going to hit done. So now if I go back to my photos, you'll see my image now has all the white background out of it, which this one kind of shows up a little bit of residual left over, but that's fine. It's not going to be that big of a deal when you're using it. So then we're going to go back to our planner, and we're going to hit our little insert image button, which is the square with the moon and the mountains. So we're going to click on that twice, and we're going to go to the photos, and we're going to find our latest picture. And here is our Bitmoji with a transparent background. If you move it around, you can see that there's no white and it's good to go. So just move it and put it wherever you want. And if you want to keep using this one, you can actually go and hit your lasso tool, circle it, tap, and then hit copy, and then go to your sticker book or wherever that you like to save your images, and long press and hit paste. Resize it to the size that you want to make it fit, and then it's there for future use for you to just go back in there and use it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Keep an eye out for more videos. We're actually in the process of trying to sell our house and move and pack and buy another house, so the videos might be a little sporadic until then, but I am planning on making some more GoodNotes tutorials and planner tutorials, so keep an eye out. And if this video helped you and you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And you guys have a great day.